empty. There's no one to see. I'm just stuck here watching myself on the steam carpet floor, by the broke plywood door, just waiting for some savior to say, please save me, please save me. Hide ourselves in makeup she left behind. Sing our souls to the radio behind a closed door. Don't let no one catch what's on the inside. Can't even see myself in the mirror. Just some desperate stranger looking back at me. Bent with a teenage shame, playing a secret game of invisible and wanting to be seen. Can you see me? Do you really see me? And though your tired, sad eyes cut through my skin, I turn to face the crime on my hands. But you did not run away. You were seeking truth anyway, and you let me in. So we made the crawl to smoky basement halls. Found your friend on Christmas on the floor. Heard your piece of the pain, the things you couldn't say except to strangers.